Hello student, today we are going to next point. Next point is rate of reaction. It means rate of chemical reaction. Time taken for completion of reaction. The rate of reaction describes how rapidly the reactants are consumed or the product are formed. Okay. Now, definition of the rate of reaction: the change in the concentration of the reactant of product per unit time is known as rate of reaction. Again, the change in the concentration of the reactant and product per unit time. Okay, it is denoted by letter small r. Rate of reaction, it is denoted by letter small r. Okay, therefore a rate of reaction equal to change in concentration of the reactant or product upon time required for the okay, the change in the concentration of the reactant and product in interval time per unit time. Okay, rate of reaction means change in concentration in the reactant or product divided by or upon the time required for the time. Okay, then the IUPAC, the rate of chemical reaction should be expressed in mole per meter cube per second. Should be expressed in mole per meter cube per second. Okay. The rate of reaction can be expressed into two ways. Okay. Number one, average rate of chemical reaction. There are two ways. Number one, average rate of chemical reaction. Number two, instantaneous of chemical reaction. Okay, study the one by one. Number one is average rate of chemical reaction. It means that the rate of chemical reaction is measured over a long time interval. Measure the long time interval. Or another is the change in concentration of reactant or product divided by the time interval over which the change in takes place. The change in concentration of reactant of product. Okay, this is the average rate of chemical reaction. Okay. Delta means long time. Long time. D means small time. Small time. Delta means long time. D means small time. This is the average rate of chemical reaction. This is the instantaneous of chemical reaction. Okay. Instantaneous of chemical reaction. Average rate change in will change in concentration of a species. Average rate change in concentration of species upon change in time. Change in time. Okay. Average rate is equal to change in concentration of species upon the change in time. It means delta C upon delta T. Delta C upon delta T. Okay. Then expression. Consider the reaction. A gives P. A gives P, which is A is the consume and B is the produce. This is the reactant, this is the product. A is consume and B is the produce. Okay. Then delta C upon delta T. Okay. Average rate of consumption of substance. Average rate of consumption of substance. A is equal to minus delta concentration A upon delta T. This is the average rate of consumption of substance. Second, average rate of formation of substance. Formation of substance. B is equal to plus delta concentration of B upon delta T. Okay. Average rate of reaction. This is some substance, this is produce. Okay. Conjunction of formation. Okay. Average rate of reaction. Average rate of reaction minus delta concentration of A delta T equal to plus delta concentration of B upon delta T. Okay. First one is average rate of consumption of substance. Second one is average rate of formation of substance. And last one is average rate of reaction. The rate of reaction represents a decrease in concentration of the reactant per unit time or increase in concentration of product per unit time. The dimension of rate or concentration divided by time. Okay, that is mole per dm cube per second. Mole per decimeter per cube per second. Okay. Then second one is instantaneous instantaneous rate of chemical reaction. The rate of chemical reaction measured for an infinity similarly small time interval or the rate of reaction at a specific instant. The rate of change in concentration of any one of the reactant or product over a very small interval time. Okay, then from the graph, first one is the time. Reactant of concentration, product of concentration Look at this graph. To determine the instantaneous rate of reaction, the progress of reaction is followed by the measuring the concentration of reaction or product or different type interval. It is clear that the changes in concentration are relatively fast in the beginning, which later becomes slow. The concentration of reactant or the product plotted against time are shown above, figure A and B. Okay. The tangent draw to the curve at time give the rate of reactant. The slope thus obtained gives the instantaneous rate of the reaction. Okay. The instantaneous rate delta C upon delta T is represented by replacing delta by derivative delta C upon delta T in the expression of average rate. Okay. Now then factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Any chemical reaction, factor affecting: number one, the rate of chemical reaction depend upon the following factor. Okay. Number one is nature of reactant. Nature of okay. Then next one is the concentration of the reactant. Concentration of the reactant in case of gaseous reaction the rate depends on the pressure of the reactant. Okay. Third one, temperature of the reaction. Last one, the presence of a catalyst and its measure. Okay. There are four factors affecting of chemical reaction. Number one is nature of reactant, the concentration of the reactant in case of a gaseous reaction, the rate depends on the pressure of the reactant, time of the reaction, and last one is the presence of catalyst and its volume. Okay, thank you.